Quick public service announcement. The Automobile Association of South Africa has just given the Toyota Starlet 0 stars on its crash rating. Another black mark on the Toyota brand. They've been having quite a few of these very below par performances on their crash ratings. This particular vehicle only has 2 airbags. Vehicle found to be structurally unstable with limited adult protection. Newer version is available with 6 airbags, which apparently does look at some of those issues, but it's sure 0 stars on a crash rating is really not up to scratch if you're gonna call Toyota blue chip brand, so to speak. Here we go with the press release. The AA has expressed disappointment following the latest Safer Cars campaign crash test of the current generation Toyota Starlet, which resulted in the lowest possible crash test of 0 for adult occupants, putting buyers of this model at huge risk to injury in case of an accident. Sure, that doesn't sound very good. So this is part of the Safer Cars campaign, where they take a car from South Africa and test it overseas as part of the GNCAP rating procedure. Often South African cars have lower safety standards, so less safety equipment, so often general crash ratings aren't relevant to South African models. Global vehicle statistics from Toyota indicate that 20,000 South African customers and their families have purchased the Starlet prior to the upgrade of the 6 airbags. So if you buy a new Starlet, it's going to have 6 airbags, the old ones. Not so much. Many of these owners may be unaware of the vehicle's subsequent safety upgrade. In publishing its vehicle crash test rating of the Toyota Starlet, sorry, I'm a bit sick here, GNCAP noted in the side impact test both head and chest protection were rated as poor, abdomen protection was rated as adequate. Footwell area and body shell were found to be unstable and not capable of withstanding further loadings. The side pole test was not conducted, as the side head airbags were not fitted as standard. In the frontal impact assessment, the head of a 3-year-old dummy made contact with the vehicle's exterior, and the chest protection was rated as low. In the side impact assessment, the head of a 3-year-old dummy was exposed to impact. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That doesn't sound very good at all for the world's top-selling car brand. And I heard the Daihatsu that was made in partnership with Toyota, they were also cutting corners there. The CEO in Japan had to apologize for other things. It's really is profit taking center stage at Toyota. You make your decision. This is my opinion. Catch you next time, Africa Sideways. Peace.